This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Longa. Rarely available 2-bed 2-bath 1-story townhome in the Villas of Deerwood. Interior features split floor plan, vaulted ceilings in the living area, stainless steel appliances, upgraded bathrooms, both bedrooms are large and spacious, brand new AC, 2 months old, low HOA maintenance fee $225, which includes roof replacement, pool, tennis courts, lake, security patrol and lawn maintenance. Great location only blocks from the Florida Turnpike, shopping centers, restaurants, Home Depot, Metro Zoo and La Petite Academy, one of the nation's largest educational daycare companies. This property is well maintained and in excellent condition. For more information,